Hello my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing the Echo Park Club November card kit. And I did kind of tear up the address label for privacy, but it does say Echo Park Paper Company. So I have not opened it yet, so we're going to do that now. This is the Farmhouse Christmas. And I'm going to be unboxing as well as cutting up the pattern paper. Okay. Let's pull everything out. All right, here we go. We get a cute little flyer. Shows all the different cards and some great inspiration. And a couple of cute projects. Okay. Right, first we get a 6x6 paper pad. This is Cartabella. You get either Echo Park or Cartabella in the kits. And let me cut this open. I went ahead and subscribed, by the way. It is cheaper. And unlike some of the other kits that I've subscribed to, this is only every other month, so I think that's great. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. A lot of little cut aparts, cute tags. Oh, some more wood grain. Love that wood grain. Nice. I love the vintagey feel. That looks a little bit familiar, as does that. Cute potted trees, solid green, very, very cute. And then it starts over. Okay, and enamel dots, cute enamel dots, and a bunch of ephemera, which is awesome. I could make some fun fold cards, fancy fold cards with these. And some puffy stickers. Boots, tree, tractor, flower. Beautiful white poinsettia. Just gorgeous. And chipboard accents. These are always fun. And then we have 12, oh, this is a sticker sheet. This is a collection, separate collection, 12 by 12. This is a cool sticker sheet, awesome. And then lots of wonderful paper. I love the feel of the Cartabella, thick, kind of a linen. Okay, look at that, cute holly. And then here's the flower boxes. Very, very cute. And beautiful green. And a plaid. Plaid is always really popular. And the potted trees. The beautiful poinsettias. Very, very pretty. And these are border strips, but you can use them any way you want. And another, this is a buffalo check, black, and stockings. You could use this together actually, because you've got the black here, and then a smaller buffalo check. And here's some big cut aparts. Make great 4x6 cards. And snowflakes. Oh, that's cute. And a plaid. Snowflakes. Oh, here's that wonderful wood grain. Oh, look at the cute ornaments. Oh my goodness. Some more wood grain. Tags. These make great tags. There's a hole that you can put the twine in. And more plaid. Wow. And here's some 3x4 cut aparts. Great. And some stripe. And some more poinsettia. Awesome. Okay. Now, I'm going to get busy and cut this paper. Okay. In one of my basics videos, I talked about cutting up your pattern paper. And the easiest way to start is just obviously cutting off this first strip, okay? A lot of your 12x12s will come with this little strip, so you want to cut that off. As well as your 6x6s, they will come with that little hole because it's hanging up on the display rack in the store. So you definitely want to cut that out also. I'll just do one because I'm not going to bore you with cutting all of it. But I am going to be cutting it. Because this is an all-over print, I don't have to worry about a pattern. First, I have to decide. But since I'm just using this pattern, I'm going to be using this one because obviously this is directional. So let's just do 5 1/4 by 4. I'll bring it down a little more so you can see that. Okay. And because it's 12 inches, if I cut the 5 1/4 first, then the third piece will automatically be 4 inches. So there's 3 pieces. Or I can do 4 inches first. And then do 5 1/4. Now, if you were worried about the direction, you would do the 4 inch first, which would be portrait. So there's those. And then I have a whole extra piece. I could do 5 1/4. And it would go kind of in the middle of the card because it's not quite big enough. So I have some extra pieces plus 5 1/4 by 4 pieces. And so I would proceed with the rest, but I'm going to go ahead and cut these cut aparts for you also. So let's do that. They make this one really simple. I have seen some sheets of cut aparts that are so different angles that I have to stop and start my trimmer blade. But this is real simple. The farmhouse theme seems to be big this year, and I like it personally. So there's 3. Very cute. And I can also use, well, I would have to cut that off. Oh, I did forget to cut that one piece off. Okay. Well, yes, and if we wanted to use this other pattern, we could do that too. But that's what's nice about a 12 by 12. You have plenty of paper to work with. And I do have lots of other embellishments from over the years that I could add to these. So there's 3 more. Because I have the ephemera, I do have that choice of using the cut aparts or the ephemera. And because it's a solid color on the back, a solid pattern, but as I said, I think these would make great fun fold cards, and I will show you that in another video. Okay, here are the 3 by 4 cut parts. Now this is interesting because I could do the tags, which would be awesome, or I could do this. So let's just do half. Let's kind of divide it in half here, and that way I'll have half for the wood grain and half for the tags. Okay. So I can use this for tags, and I can use this for the wood grain. Because it's up and down, and I want to use it that way, I will cut 4 first, and then 5 1/2. 5 1/4, I'm sorry. Okay. Plus I have this strip here. And then I will cut these out individually. I'll probably fussy cut them, and then punch a hole, and then put twine in the hole. All right. So I hope that gets you started on cutting your pattern paper. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you come back and see what I did to make cards with this. Have a wonderful day, and see you soon. Bye-bye.